All right, thanks for tuning into Leading Forecast. And I tell you what, hope everybody had a great New Year's and great holidays, and get on into 2012 and see what happens weather-wise. Who knows? After last year, I've come to not expect anything because I don't want to say not expect anything, but put expectations because they are very easily broken, whether good or bad. So last year was crazy, crazy year. So, anyways, let's get off last year and see what's going on right now. Some clouds across the nation's midsection, really not too much going on. And we have this system up here across the northwest that's bringing some rain in, and we'll show you that here. There's that rain going on into the northwest. Even some snow up into northeastern Washington State, and then a little bit of still some lake effect snow going on. If you're on the east or kind of southeast side of these lakes up here this weekend or early this week, I'll tell you what, we're down here and we were getting some lake effect snow off of Lake Michigan up there, and it was almost white out. Some of those bands are coming through. Just ridiculous snowfall amounts. I know Brandon Kopic and some guys over from Ohio went up and done some lake effect snow chasing, and I guess they got some pretty incredible footage. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Hopefully maybe I can make it up into the lakes here in a little while, sometime this year. Let's go on over. This is current watches and warnings. Hard freeze warning is pretty much the only thing we have going on. That's down across Florida from basically Clearwater over towards Okeechobee and then back up towards Jacksonville, Panama, and then southern Georgia and Alabama have those going on, as well as places over towards Mississippi. So a lot of cold air in place tonight. Going on over, this is as we get into tomorrow. Cold air finally kind of working its way off to the east. You can see that's your freezing line, and all the cold air is up here. And here we go again, high pressure system building in out here. And, we're trying to get that warm air, trying to surge in with that high again. And we will do that. This is as we get into Thursday. Here's all your cold air now bottled across the northern portion of the United States. And we're warming it back out, warming it up across the central portions of the United States, across, probably 90% of the United States will be over freezing on Thursday. So it's going to get warm once again, but we'll skip ahead. I show you this. There's not much really going on, but this is as you get into Saturday. Here's a big high pressure system over here. Here's your cold air kind of coming in here, and some showers going on down across the south. And then as we get into Sunday, a little bit of kind of a low coming in here, and with your cold air coming in here and some more little clipper systems coming through in the system down here. The reason I show you this is this is the Digix model, and the Digix and the Euro are in very, very good agreement on what's going to happen this weekend, but the GFS is yet to really jump on board with this storm. This is Saturday, and here's your cold air coming down through here, and then you have all this moisture sitting down across the south, and watch what happens as we swing into Sunday. Nor'easter low sitting off the coast. All your cold air is coming in here. We end up getting some heavy snow, potentially down in all the way up into this area here. In fact, the European model brings very heavy snow, kind of up the I-95 corridor, the Appalachian area, from the Virginias up towards Pennsylvania, downstate New York. Massachusetts, New Hampshire, places like that get on some very, very heavy snow. That's how the Euro plays it out. But the GFS, it's not really hinting at that. It's really being, this is Sunday on the GFS, pretty much nothing. But, taking a look at the indexes here, and you can see this is the NAO forecast, and we're sitting right here, right now. We're projected to kind of go down here. I'm not necessarily disagreeing here. As we look at the AO, we're really going to, get into some cold. There's definitely some colder air probably that's going to be coming down over the next few weeks. And looking at the PNA, also showing kind of a troughing out west. So the pattern makes sense. The Euro and the Digix both are kind of making sense with this whole, looking at the ensemble forecast here with the AO and the PNA and NAO and stuff. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. It's quite interesting. I find it very interesting that one of the main models is showing absolutely nothing this weekend, and then the other two are showing a pretty decent snowstorm up the northeast. So I know the earlier models of the GFS was showing some potential for that. I know the 12Z looked like there could be some snow across the northeast. So we'll just have to wait and see. And anyways, that's all I have for the day. Have a good one. And you can view this on the swiftchaseteam.com or the dailyforecast.net. I almost got those mixed up, guys. Have a good one.